1975, a time when trucks were built for work, not for looks. And leading the way was the Ford F-250, a machine made to haul, pull, and power through anything in its path. It wasn't about style, it was about strength. Let's dive into the story of this American legend. The 1975 F-250 belonged to Ford's sixth generation of F-Series trucks, which ran from 1973 to 1979. It was the heavy-duty version of the popular F-100 and was built with a stronger frame, improved suspension, and more rugged features. It was a true workhorse, especially favored by farmers, construction workers, and ranchers. Whether it was hauling hay, towing equipment, or plowing through rough terrain, the F-250 could do it all. The 1975 model came with several engine options, but the most common were the 360 cubic inch V8 and the 390 V8. These engines were known for delivering torque and durability, making them ideal for long days on the job. Inside, the cabin was basic but functional. A tough bench seat, a steel dashboard, and no fancy extras. It was a truck for people who valued hard work more than comfort. One of the best things about the 75 F-250 was its ground clearance and availability in 4x4. Whether you were in the mountains, on the farm, or out in the wilderness, this truck was up for the challenge. It wasn't made for the city, it was made for the dirt, the fields, and the hard roads where real work happens. Its simplicity made it reliable, and its power made it unstoppable. Ford advertised this truck with one powerful slogan, "Built Ford Tough." And the 1975 F-250 lived up to every word. Even decades later, many of these trucks are still running, a true sign of lasting quality. Back then, trucks didn't need to be flashy. They needed to get the job done. No sensors, no screens, just metal, muscle, and a motor that wouldn't quit. That's why collectors and vintage truck lovers still search for these classics today. They're not just old vehicles, they're pieces of history. Today's Ford F-250s are high-tech, luxurious, and packed with features. But the 1975 model reminds us where it all started, with simplicity, durability, and trust. This truck didn't just carry loads, it carried the spirit of an era when things were built to last. The 1975 Ford F-250, a symbol of American grit. And if you enjoyed this look back at the legendary Ford F-250, give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more classic truck content.